More resources from Washington to conquer addiction. We've seen a slight decrease in opioid-related deaths, but Tom McKee is here now to explain why the acting U.S. Attorney General says that's just not enough. Tom, what's going on?
Well, Craig, the government is going after people overprescribing opioids or selling illegal drugs. And one new way they're doing that is through a drug strike force whose northern hub will be in Fort Mitchell. Those in addiction treatment services hope it is very, very successful. As maternal services coordinator for First Step Home, Jean Cole is on the front lines seeing addicted pregnant women.
They cannot just stop using. It can harm the baby, and quite honestly, when people just stop using, the success of continued recovery is very small.
The agency sees a lot of opioid use among clients along with methamphetamine.
They're looking for some kind of relief, and they turn to whatever's cheap. And their lifestyles they have to do sometimes to actually obtain the drug it's just really sad.
Going after the people selling illegal drugs or overprescribing legal ones is the reason acting U.S. Attorney Matthew Whitaker was in Cincinnati Friday.
Last year, 70,000 Americans lost their lives to drug overdoses. That is the highest drug death toll in American history.
Deaths are down about 2% this year, but Whitaker wants to reduce the number even further. That's why a new strike force is being created with 10 new assistant U.S. attorneys to prosecute opioid cases.
Each one of these new assistant United States attorneys will have their own team of federal investigators and law enforcement agents. They'll also be mobile.
The northern hub of the team will be in Fort Mitchell, the southern hub in Nashville. Chief Tom Synan of the Hamilton County Heroin Coalition welcomes the federal partnership.
I think you're seeing the model that we used on the street. We just didn't stay put. We were going out to where the problem was, and you're seeing that from the federal government.
For Jean Cole, more resources are very much appreciated.
We need more treatment clearly throughout the state and throughout the country, and we need to stop the influx of drugs coming in from other countries and the accessibility clearly.
Now, one final note here. We wanted to ask Whitaker questions about his appointment as acting attorney general and the current Russian investigation, but we were told no questions were allowed. He met with law enforcers, read his statement, shook hands, and then left the room, Craig.
All right, Tom McKee reporting in the newsroom for us tonight. Thank you, Tom.